I know it's been a while. It's been a real long time. Unless y'all been rocking with my music. Y'all haven't. But man, I'm on different vibes now. As you see, we ain't waving no more. But man, today I just got a question, man, for all my car guys. If you're a 240 owner, if you know anything about 240. Long story short, man, I don't know what I was doing. As you see, I kind of damaged some shit probably. Like this one, I probably damaged it. But these wires, as you can see, all these shits are just like that. So I thought they were damaged. I broke this. I thought they were damaged. So I tried to take them out, broke them, but luckily I saved some. I feel like I'm rambling, but long story short, where the hell do these go? What do I do with these? I know these is for the alternator or starter or wherever the hell. This is tied into that. Truth to be told, really all these were really tied into this right here. Then as you can see, this shit, look at that. Help me, what is this? Someone told me this is a ground. I don't know. Probably is, who knows? What is this? Someone help, please. Help, 240 owners, please help. We'll wrap you up like a optimal. Got some real niggas that's back. Got some real niggas that know flop. Mind me, I'm in the process of moving. Sucks I did not get this mother effer running. But this is her, you know what I mean? It's a little messy. Shit. This is her. You know what I'm saying? If anyone actually went back and watched my videos, shit. Fuck. Anybody went back and watched my videos. I had an RSX before, you know what I mean? Things happened, I got a Subaru, you know, I was like, F the RSX, I'm gonna build a 1JZ240. Long story short, I didn't know what I was doing. That's a lot of money, but I'm almost done. I just need a few things and just, I don't know, man. It's tough, man. One day when that shit's up, I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna go over everything, all I did for y'all on YouTube, man. I wish I would've done it a long time ago, but I didn't know how to do that shit. I did everything by myself, man. Everything. I'll throw pictures in here. That's what I can throw some pictures in here to show y'all what I've been doing and whatnot. I did all that by myself, bro. I ain't really have no one to set up no camera. I couldn't really hold my camera and pick the motor up and drop it in there. If you seen how I messed it up already, you will see why I couldn't do it with a camera. But long story short, I don't want to keep rambling because I'm really geek right now. I'm sorry, YouTube and whoever don't appreciate being geeked. Cause we a little older now. I ain't did the waving shit in a while. I'm a cuss too. I ain't did the waving shit in a while. So hopefully everyone grown enough to understand life's stressful. Life's stressful, especially when your car ain't running. It's been 5 years, 4 or 5 years, y'all. I just want that motherfucker up, bro. And the fact that I'm moving just makes shit even worse and harder for me. But we gonna get there. We gonna get there. Y'all remember this video. I ain't making no more videos until that motherfucker up. And I'm gonna get turned. I fuck with y'all. If y'all still fuck with me, I fuck with y'all.